Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix USB ports not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the universal serial bus controllers section, and in here you need to find the USB root hub. You just need to right click on it one by one and select properties. Select power management tab. You just need to uncheck this option guys. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. After doing this, select OK. Do the same thing for other USB root hub. After doing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. You need to uninstall the driver name with Intel, or you just need to right click on it and select uninstall device guys. Do the same thing for another Intel as well. After doing both the drivers, you just need to close it off here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, Windows will automatically reinstall the drivers we deleted, and you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution, you just need to follow these steps. First, you need to unplug the charger from your laptop. Then you need to restart your laptop, and then you need to connect your USB to your laptop again, and then connect the charger and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.